Hello, welcome to another Polkadoodles video. So in today's video I was creating this gorgeous card here using a bunch of different sets of chipboard from the Polkadoodles website. I don't have all of the packaging to show you, but the packaging, or the packaged one that I do have here, is the pretty border strips, which I actually used along the bottom of the card because I wanted to tie some more of this deeper blue that I'd used into the rest of the card. Then the rest of the chipboard that I used is the Hearts and More Hearts set, which had this heart frame in there, the love arrows, which had this beautiful dangling portion and the word love across the arrow, and then also the hey love words, which had the word this in there as well. And to sort of add to my sentiment, so I've put love this, so you can kind of be saying congratulations on someone, love this news, love this occasion, love this that you're getting married, you know. So I thought congratulations would be a good companion sentiment for this. So I actually used an older stamp set from Polkadoodles, which I don't actually have in the proper packaging, but this set was called All About Her Sentiments. So a really great one that's got all sorts of different sentiments in there, with all of the mother, mum, mummy, mam, ma, all of the different iterations of female kind of names, sisters, aunt, and everything like that in there as well. Then for the subtle background on this one, I did also bring in the flower trellis stencil from Polkadoodles as well. So beautiful, subtle kind of design, just use lost shadow in the background to add that on there, and it works really, really nicely. And for this card, I often tend to go for spray inks with my chipboard, but for this card I used some acrylic markers. So acrylic paint pens, they work brilliantly to colour in your chipboard and give you fantastic results as well. So I hope you like this project, and stay tuned so you can see the sped up process of how to make this card. Thanks so much for watching, bye!